Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing practical geometry or constructions as we generally call. In earlier classes, you have constructed, you have seen how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a segment or a angle bisector of angle. Here we are trying to study quadrilateral. Okay, so let us see what is quadrilateral first and what are its parameters. So this is the quadrilateral. It has four sides S1, S2, S3, S4, four angles A1, A2, A3, A4, and two diagonals D1 and D2. These are the 10 parameters of quadrilateral. Okay, so now go through a comment here. At least 5 out of 10 parameters are needed to construct a unique quadrilateral. You need to have 5 parameters to construct a quadrilateral. What is unique? Unique means only one can be drawn. If you try to draw another one, that will be overlapped on that. Okay, that is unique. We will come to know exact meaning of this as we proceed further. For the time being, you go through this comment. Though not any five will help us to draw a unique quadrilateral. Not that any five are given. Okay, so we will study what does this sentence means. That is, if more than one quadrilateral is possible having same measurements. So let us see an example to clear this. Okay, then you will come to know what is this about. Okay, so we see an example. Here are some quadrilaterals where only four parameters are given. Let us study this. Okay, so see figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. See here only four sides are given A, B, C, D. This is 10, this is 8, this is 10, this is 8. Angles are 90. Now having all these four measurements as they are, you can draw another quadrilateral slightly tilted. This is not 90, this is obtuse, this is acute. That means if you keep on this, they cannot overlap. That means only four parameters are not sufficient to get unique quadrilateral. Unique means only one can be drawn with the given parameters or given measurements. Now here we could draw at least two. We can draw, of course, draw many, but for our purpose, if we can draw at least one more, then that is sufficient to prove that we cannot draw with four parameters. Okay, so this is also one more. So we could draw at least two to three quadrilaterals having same measurements. Hence, we need one more parameter to draw a unique quadrilateral. So you came to know what is unique. You came to know you need more than four parameters, at least five. Okay. So we will see what happens and which five are needed. Okay. So see here an example. If all four angles and a side is given, okay, we cannot draw a unique quadrilateral. That means what? That is more than one quadrilateral is possible having same measurements. Okay, we will elaborate on this. Okay, let us see an example. For simplicity, we are taking all four angles as 90 and in its side is 5 centimeters. Okay, so these are the five parameters. We were talking about five parameters, but not any five. Okay, so these are arbitrarily chosen five parameters. We will just see that is all angles are 90 and one side is 5 centimeter. Then this quadrilateral is possible where all angles are 90. See it is given here and this side is 5 centimeters. Okay, but there is another quadrilateral also possible with the same measurements. This is 90, this is 90, this is all are 90 and this is 5. Okay, of course you can draw millions of quadrilaterals like this, but only for our purpose, if at least two are possible, two quadrants are possible, that means a rule doesn't hold for this. Okay, at least two quadrants are possible having same given parameters, that means these is not a unique quadrilateral having these measurements. What does that mean? Okay, that means a unique means can have at least one more having same parameters and same measurements. Okay, so that is a meaning of unique. So we will see another example. Okay, move ahead. So we have seen that out of 10 parameters that explains the quadrilateral completely, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals, 4 parameters are not sufficient to draw a unique quadrilateral. We must have fifth one also. Now in this case, we have all 4 sides and an angle. So this is a unique quadrilateral. Okay. Even in this case, figure we have taken the same parameters A, B, C, D. This is 10. All 4 are given, and we have fixed the length of the diagonal CB. Now, with all these 5 parameters, this is a unique quadrilateral. That means we need at least 5 parameters, total 5, to have a unique quadrilateral, but not any 5. We have seen that. We have seen not out of 10, not if any 5 are taken, then we cannot draw unique quadrilateral. So there is a combination of parameters we will see in the next slide, and we will try to construct a parameter according to the data given or the parameters given. Okay, so some of them are given here. Okay, so move to the next slide. Here are they. Go to this comment. If any of the following 5 parameters are given, we can construct a unique quadrilateral. Okay, first one, when 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given, you have seen this. 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Okay, third one, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, not any sides, so adjacent sides. Okay, and 3 angles are given. Fourth one, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, that means not inside, we will see all of them in details. And a fifth one is when other special properties are known. Okay, so in this case, we will try to draw all this. Okay, one by one. But remember one comment here, always draw a rough sketch to make a construction easy. Let us study one by one, and before that let us study the rules, general rules which we must follow for the construction purpose. Okay, so we move over towards the rules. Okay, general rules for drawing construction in geometry. These are general rules. You can have some of yours also. First one, use sharp HB bold pencils. Second one, keep 3 to 4 pencils ready only for construction. For other work like rough work, use another pencils. That is a small tip given here. Don't waste time in sharpening during exam. That is, you are wasting your time. Carry sharpened pencil from home. Okay. Third one, use different pencils for compass and freehand drawing. Okay. So don't take out compass pencil. Use another pencil for drawing a line and point. Fourth one, take exact measurements as shown in the video. Okay, there is no approximations. There are few more rules. You'll go through it. These are very useful. Don't buy head them, but you try to use these. Okay. Fifth one, take measurements as shown on line marks and not directly by scale to avoid errors. Okay. Sixth one, draw line segments only once and don't redraw. Here is a important comment marked in red. Draw beyond mark point. Okay. All this is shown in video. Even you will see this point in video. Okay. I have followed all these rules in my video. We are not supposed to break any rule. Okay. The rules which are made by us for the construction are okay, but there are some such rules which we cannot break. Okay. So this one is single point and curves to be drawn only once. Okay. This is not by the mathematicians. While joining two points, check by keeping pencil pointers on the marks. Okay, to make sure that line segment covers the point and then draw, shown in video. Okay, this is very important again. Don't erase. Okay, ninth one is don't erase any point or extra segment or marks. Okay, from the point of view of construction, this is very important. Okay, you must keep them to show to the examiner. Okay, watch this video. So if a mark is there, you see this, you are not supposed to erase anything. Okay, so we will watch the video, and still if you face a difficulty, write to me in the comment section and I will solve it. Okay, so after going through these rules, see how which pencils you need. These are some bold pencils. See, I cannot take any names. See how sharp it is. See that you are not tearing the paper. Pencil should be that this sharp, and see how should be attached to a compass. Use separate pencil for compass. See, and it is also pointed. Use, see, this is how you should arrange for this, and see how you should mark. See how I am marking it. See, this is a line. Okay, see, I have taken a close up of this, and see how you can see even still close up. Zero means zero. Okay, zero, exact zero. Now this is 3.4. Okay, see, it is just before 3.5. Okay, so take that care, then your construction will be thorough. Okay, and see how curves or marks you should make. See, this is one only single mark. Okay, should not overwrite it or redraw it. Okay, only single mark. That's why you need bold sharp pencils. Okay, and a single point. Okay, I told you keep some pencils ready. See, even if you have to do like this, take it like that. Okay, and another one, this is showing. So after some practice you can achieve this. This is that. And when join, see, I'm joining not only 2 points but beyond this. That is very important in construction. Okay, so see, these are the points. Keep pencils on this so that your line will pass through these points and should pass the points on this side and other side always, and do not rub all this. Okay, all these marks and points and everything is a part of construction, so you are not supposed to rub or erase anything. Okay, that is very important. Okay, you will come across some many important tips in the following videos as we proceed further. Okay, so we proceed. Now we will see how angles are to be taken. See, this is a straight line. See this very carefully we have to take. It's a very important aspect of the construction, geometrical construction. See, I have taken a close up. See how protector has to be kept. See, this is the point. See, it is exactly lying on this, and that line, no, it is still not there. See, now this is there. No, you have to take it lead. Now it is here. Yes, that is the point is on this point matches, and this is exactly, this is 90. Okay, now I am taking 60. So from this side, this is 60. And I am also taking 61. See, okay. Now let us take 101. If I want to take from this side, see, taking 101. So that exactness should be there. Okay. Now I am taking 114. So I'm just taking where it is 110 and 4 units away from this. Just see. So this is the level of accuracy you have to achieve. Okay, see, this is 110 and this is 114. Okay, you can even check by expanding the screen and study how to take it. See, I have written 90 there. Now joining these 2 points, they should be joined correctly. See, this I've seen that this point lies on the line. Yes, that is 61. Now I will join some other point to this 90. Okay, this and this 90 I am joining. Okay, so this is 90. So you have to specify what you have joined. This is 90 and this is 61. Okay, so try to study this and use this in construction. Okay, the first one out of 5, where 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Look at this quadrilateral S1, S2, S3, S4 and diagonal, any one diagonal, take D1, D1 is given. Okay. So first exercise, first one, draw quadrilateral JUMP where JU equal to 3.5 centimeters, UM equal to 4 centimeters, MP equal to 5 centimeters, PJ equal to 4.5 centimeters and PU equal to 6.5 centimeters. So in the following section we will draw this. We will draw a rough sketch and see how it looks like and how to draw it. Okay, we are trying to draw a quadrilateral. In fact, we should say we are trying to construct geometrical construction. So construct a quadrilateral with this name JUMP. Okay, and some dimensions are given. To write this, these are already given in question paper. You should always write it down on the answer sheet so that you don't have to look at the question paper again and again, because that might tend to some errors. So look at it. JU equal to 3.5 centimeters. Take down or write down them correctly. Okay, don't make any mistake in writing because everything depends on this. Okay, is equal to 4 centimeters, write as they are given. Okay, MP is 5 centimeter and PJ is 4.5 and PU is 6.5 centimeters. See that all have same units because they are all centimeters. Now draw a rough sketch. Okay, this is a quadrilateral, all only 4 sides. Draw any 4 sides. JUMP, first name them like this. You can name whichever you want as J, but then in series, either right hand side or left hand side, JUMP, like that. Okay, you can try the other way around also. See this, I am writing all this. JU is 3.5, UM is 4, like that. Okay, so these are the measurements or dimensions of this. Now you start with this. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, so you start with the base. Start with 5. I am taking with PM. Remember, see, and when you draw this line, this P should be not on the end of the line. Some line should be left and then mark it. Okay, see, this line is left. This is P. This is always should not be from point to point. Okay, then see, this is a triangle. PUM is a triangle. Okay, so U is 4 centimeters from M and 6.5. So you need all these dimensions. I am taking it on the paper so that it will be very easy for you to take this. So this is 0. So you should always do like this. Okay, now you want 4, go in series. This is 4, so that you will not forget. This is 4, the exact 4. Okay, then this is 3.5. You will need 3.5 also in construction. Then you will need 4.5. See, you need all these measurements in these constructions. You take them. Okay, 6.5. Got it? You take all these markings, and now you check, because now from M, what is possible for you? U is 4 from M and 6.5. So I am taking some distance. I am taking 6.5. Okay, whatever you take, can take even 4. I generally prefer to go from bigger dimension to smaller dimensions. So this is 6.5, that is from P, taking exactly. Okay, no parallax, should be exact. See, then you should not disturb that. Okay, and then draw a mark, and you do not know how big you have to draw, so draw a bigger one, because you are not supposed to redraw or rewrite on this. No overwriting. Okay, now draw 4. See, exact 4. Remember, a rough diagram you have, and that is very useful in this. See, now you got. Okay, and this mark, even though that is a bigger mark, it should be kept as it is. Okay, should never rub these. So take it, then join like this, and then join not only points but before that point, and run after this point. Okay, but you have to check that these points do lie on the line you will be drawing. So see that I'm just touching these 2 points, so that I know these points are lying, and from this like this. Okay, this is the right way of drawing a geometrical construction. Okay, now write this 4.0, that U and 6.5. Okay, now that J is 3.5 centimeters away from U and 4.5. So I am taking see, I am taking 4.5. You can take even 3.5, whatever you like. Okay, so 4.5. This is from P. Remember what you are taking. Okay, from P you are now trying to locate where J lies. It's like this, and 3.5 centimeter. That is why I told you should mark like this, so that you don't have to waste time in taking again and again. Okay, now 3.5, this is something where you can save your time and your construction can go smoothly and the right way. Okay, see this. Okay, only those dimensions you have to mark. You don't want 5, so you are not marked 5 because 5 you have already taken. Okay, now again same thing, join this, keep a pencil on this and join. Okay, and then after enough practice I think you can definitely do it. If you draw this, all these which are given in book, that is enough for you to have a better practice. But try to follow all these rules right from the first construction itself. Okay, while practicing, say this is J, I have to write all this. Now I have not written unit for this 4.5 or 3.5 whatever, but you cannot leave all this like this. So I am writing a comment that all these measurements are in centimeters, and answer you have to give. They have asked you to draw a quadrilateral. Okay, so that also answer I am giving, that answer is quadrilateral JUMP. Okay, and don't rub anything, rubbing is wrong. Okay, JUMP, that's all. Again, second exercise, for the first one only, 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Second exercise is draw parallelogram MORE, where OR is equal to 6 centimeters, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeters, and EO equal to 7.5 centimeters. And we will see how to draw this. Okay. Now, geometrical construction of a parallelogram. You have seen this in the slide. Parallelogram MORE. So write down this data on answer sheet again, so that you read it very carefully once again. So OR is equal to 6 centimeters, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeters, and EO is 7.5 centimeters. Okay, draw a rough sketch, and then you will come to know that he has not given only 3 measurements but must have given more than that, because you are drawing a parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel. So that is what we are drawing. Now write them MORE as you like. I am writing from the as a clockwise direction. Now given OR is 6 and ER is 4.5 and EO is 7.5. Okay. Now these are not see 3 dimensions, because this is 6 and this is 4.5. So he has given you all 5 sides and a diagonal. Okay, so that is sufficient. Now try with this. Generally you try with 7.5. Supposed to try, but you can try with 4.5 also, and also by 7.5, no harm. Even by 6. Okay, only there should be complete triangle. Okay, say I am writing it like this, to mark 4.5 little away from the end of the line, and this is 4.5. Construction wise that is not wrong, even if you draw like 7.5, and the rough sketch always helps you. Okay, so ER is 4.5. Now that O is 6 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter, so you draw this, you want 4.5 centimeter also. All these measurements on a mark all this on 0, so that you can take it. Always do it like this. Okay, you want 6, go in some order. Okay, see, taking 4.5, then 6, and then 7.5. Okay, 6 and 7.5. So don't make mistake in taking this, and check whether they are correct or not, because that is a backbone of your construction. Okay, now what you are drawing O. Okay, so it is 7.5. See, don't go for any approximation, take it exactly. Okay, see, I'm taking it exactly. And now this is from E, that O is 7.5. So take a mark, maybe a bigger mark, because you do not know where will the other mark meets, and you are not supposed to draw again or redraw on this or overwrite it. Okay, if it is extremely necessary, then only you do it. As far as possible, don't do it. So this is that point, this is O, and now join. Okay, so you have to take care while joining these, because you will not get chance to draw it again, because you cannot rub. That is the main aspect of construction, that you do it, whenever you do it perfectly. So look at it and then draw. Okay, you should hold that ruler firm. So this is 6, and go on writing all these units and marks, that O, that name, everything. As you proceed further, proceed ahead. See, now that M is 6 from 6 centimeters from E, and 4.5 centimeters from O. So I'm taking this and 4.5, as you have already marked. That is why while marking you should not make mistake. Now you got the point. Okay, see, this is that, and now join. Okay, so if you try this, keeping this video on, and if you try this also, then you can check your construction with this one. Okay, yes, yeah. Go slowly. Initially you will take your own time. Okay, don't be in hurry. This is 4.5 and this is 6. Okay, now we have not specified any unit. Now that comment, all measures are in centimeters, and answer as this is a parallelogram MORE. Okay, these are very important statements you should give. Okay, that's all. So third and the last construction under 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Third is a draw rhombus BEST, where BE is equal to 4.5 centimeters and ET is equal to 6 centimeters. So we will construct this also. Okay. Now here we are trying to construct rhombus. Read these very carefully. You may have to draw rhombus or quadrilateral or parallelogram. There is some meaning behind it. Okay. Now you will see. Now rhombus BEST, generally you need 5 measurements, but here there are only 2. What does that mean? B is equal to 4.5 and another is ET equal to 6 centimeter. So it will be clear after you draw a rough sketch. Remember, you have to draw rhombus. What does that mean? That means in rhombus all sides are equal. Okay, that means by giving you BE, he has not given you only one dimension, has actually given you 4 measurements. See, this is BEST. Okay, now this is 4.5. That means all the sides are 4.5. This is a 6.0. Okay, so all sides and a diagonal is given. So he has given you 5 measurements, 5 dimensions. Okay, all in centimeters. Now you can draw. Start from the complete triangle, whatever complete you get, generally triangle. Now if you take with TE, that will do, because you can draw 2 triangles. One is TEB and TES. Okay, so I am drawing it. This is 6 centimeter. Take a little away from the end point, that end of the line, and draw 0 here, which is T, and then check first. Okay, that is E. Okay, exact, should be exact. This is T and this is E, and that measurement is 6 centimeters. So I am writing it here 6. Okay, now you need 4.5. You are very lucky to have only one measurement. So mark this here, take 0 and 4.5. So take it comfortably as you want. Okay, now I told you taking like this is very easy and makes your construction smooth. Okay, this is 0 and you need 4.5, exact 4.5. Okay, take that care always. Okay, now you can take 4.5, that measurement, and see that B is 4.5 centimeters away from E and also from T. Same way S is 4.5 away from T and E. So now it is very easy construction. So if you keep it on E, then you can mark for B and even the same for S. Okay, and then from T same measurements, no other checking, so don't disturb that compass, and mark anyhow you like, only single mark. Okay, this is a single mark, and again here single mark. Okay, it may be faint, but your job is over. You take point. See, I actually broke the pencil there. Then you should have 3 to 4 pencils ready. Okay, so you do not waste time in sharpening the pencils, and keep these 3-4 pencils only for constructions. Okay, and see I am taking this line. I am just making sure that my points are going to lie on the line, and start line from the point, from the beyond that point. Okay, not from point to point, and that is the main rule of construction. Okay, and you should not rub this. Okay, if you rub it, then your construction will be given wrong. Okay, See, now I am taking it. I am just looking for the line whether it may pass through these 2 points, and now joining this. Okay, now you can do it. This is as you have taken B, E we have already done, S and T. Now write all these dimensions or all these measurements. 4.5 I am not writing unit again, and but I am giving the comment that all measurements are in centimeters, and answer is this is rhombus BEST. Okay, measurements are in centimeters. You must write all this comment, because only 4.5 or 6.0 anything will not have any meaning. This is rhombus BEST. Okay, that's it. That's all. Okay. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you face any difficulty in the topic of construction, write to me in the comment section and I shall solve it. Thanking you. Good luck.